Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. I hope you guys are excited for today's sneaker unboxing. I am excited because I haven't had, a sneaker unboxing in a while, or at least it feels like that. So the good thing is you guys will have 4 more videos after this one because somehow I have accumulated a couple pairs that I haven't shown you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you are subscribed, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of today's review. Give me some feedback, if there's anything I should be improving. I'm always open to hear from you guys. Now, I do want to be as transparent as possible. I do want to let you all know that this pair that I'm reviewing today was actually gifted to me by some friends that I have worked with like months ago. We have been working together for about a year now, and I am very happy that I got one sent to me, as a gift. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Take a seat, grab a snack, and let's get right into this unboxing. So as you guys can see, we have this super cool box. It actually reminds me a lot to a sneaker box that I already have. Hold on. So it reminds me a lot to this sneaker, this is the Jordan 4 taupe, I think it's how you pronounce, which is basically this one right here. The boxes are very similar, as you guys can see. The only thing is that this one is black and this one here is kind of like brownish. So pretty cool in my opinion. Now I'm going to go ahead and just show you what's inside because that's the reason why you guys clicked on this video, right? So first things first, the packaging came all good, and the box, as you guys can see, doesn't have any major damages. It does have a small dent right here, but nothing that is on the fault. Basically, this is just, the shipping company not being careful with, the packages. That's a normal thing nowadays. Now, getting into the package, we got our, regular paper with like a bunch of like gray splatters all over it. And then we have the beautiful Jordan 4 black, white, neutral gray, which I think it's the name that they're giving it to it. Yes. I'll show you the tags right now in a little bit. So I'm just gonna take this out. We have our QC label right here, and now here is the label. So mine is a size 6.5 men's, 8 women, European, 39. And you guys can also see the retail price was 200 bucks. Yes, 200 bucks. So that's all I have to show you regarding the box. So I'll go ahead and just put this to the side for now, and we're gonna jump right into the sneaker review now. Being 1000% honest with you guys, the shoes do stink. It's not something extremely strong, but they do stink. Now, the smell always goes away. The only thing I personally have to do is leave them outside of the box, which is exactly what I'm gonna do right now. And just a bonus tip, I have been grabbing the drying sheets from my laundry room and placing them inside the shoe, and that also helps speed up the process of getting rid of like this chemical smell that it has. And no, not only UA pairs have that smell, but also retail pairs. I just got a sneaker delivered from Nike. I don't know if it's somewhere in frame, hopefully not, but that shoe stinks worse than this here, and it came from Nike. So we'll talk about that one on another video, but for now, let me go ahead and show you the sneaker. Such a beautiful shoe. I was looking forward, like you guys have no idea how much I wanted this shoe in my collection, because as much as I love loud sneakers, I always find myself feeling a lack of essential shoes. Sneakers that can go with anything at any time, right? I feel I lack sneakers that I can grab and just go with without like thinking about it twice. Usually when I'm in a rush, I don't like to be thinking about what sneaker goes with my outfit. I just want to grab one and get out of the door. So this shoe right here actually meets my needs. You know, it's black and white. It's colors that go with everything. So let me know down below what you guys think of this colorway. When I saw they announced that they were coming out with this colorway here, I was very excited. I entered all the raffles, but unfortunately I did not win any of them. So but good thing is, you know, my friends from Bass Kick, they went ahead and gifted me this pair, so very, very thankful. You know, expect a video on my Instagram unboxing them, doing a, you know, quick review, and also for sure a how-to style video for these shoes right here, as well as outfit photos. So I've told you all a million times, Instagram always sees these things first. So by the time this video comes out, maybe the reel might be up, I'm not sure, or both of them might be up at the same time. Unsure how the logistics will work, but point being, Instagram usually sees things first. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure you go ahead and do. If you have any further questions, make sure you DM me on my Instagram. Usually all questions are answered through there. So without any more talking, I want to thank you all for making it all the way to the end to this video. Very happy with my gift and cannot wait to rock them, you know. I'll probably do that this weekend, actually. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart, you know, for watching my content. And yeah, just, you know, if it wasn't for you guys, these things wouldn't happen. So I just want to thank you. And do not forget that I still have that sneaker giveaway. As soon as I hit the 5K milestone here on YouTube, I'll be announcing the winner. So we're not so far away. I think we're like about 400 subscribers away. So hopefully we hit that milestone soon. And until then, I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.